Hi, I'm Martin, welcome back. So this week I thought I'd keep in the theme of the Tandoor, fire it up and do my favourite Seekh Kebabs. So when making your kebabs, I've got 3 top tips that will really help you to ensure that you get the kebab mix to stick to the skewers. So number 1, when you're adding your onion, always ensure you grate it first and squeeze out as much moisture as you possibly can before adding it to the mix. Number 2, always put your mix into a food processor and whiz it up into a really fine sticky paste. So number 3, in my experience, whenever I've made a mix and then frozen it and thawed it out, it tends to come out very sloppy and doesn't stick to the skewer. So I don't tend to freeze the meat. So without sounding like the Spanish Inquisition from Monty Python, actually there's 4 things. Always ensure that when you've made your mix, you put it in the fridge and get it nice and cold. I always put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours before I make the kebabs up. Okay, so let's get the tandoor fired up and let's start cooking. Okay, so this the lamb mix now has been in the fridge now for 6 hours. It's nice and cold. It's very sticky and very stiff. Okay, so I recommend we do this with wet hands. Otherwise, you're going to get it stuck all over your hands and absolutely everywhere. So let's get that. We'll just work our way down the. Keep this nice and thin. Okay. That is really sticky, yeah. Another one, wet hands. So what I'll do now, I'll make up the other 2, save you watching me making the whole lot up, and then we'll get them on the tandoor. Right. So what I'm going to do now, I've got the 4 made up now. Pop a bit of oil in my hand and just get that coated in oil. Okay, and we'll do that with all of them. Just make sure we've got all those consistent. That's rapeseed oil, by the way, not olive oil. Okay, so we're ready for the cook. So let's just put our sacrificial vegetables on the skewer. Now that will stop it from sliding down, but it will also stop the bottom part of the kebab burning as well. Okay, so let's get these on. And there we go. I'm expecting that to just take minutes. Okay, so let's have a quick look. Yeah, as you can see, look, they're doing quite well there. They have slid down a little bit, but they're still on there. Nothing's fallen off. But I think I'll just give them a couple more minutes to brown off. I would suggest that they are cooked, but let's give them another couple of minutes, eh? Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. Oh, I'm happy with them. I'm going to take them off now. Ow, that's hot. I'll get these ones straight off this time. There we go, look. Let's get these off. Get me sacrificial vegetable off first, which is going to be the name of the next rock band. Okay. I'm happy with them. So let's make a kebab up. Bit of shredded lettuce. Get the kebab on. Homemade garlic sauce, kebab shop style. Homemade chili sauce. And there we have it. Our lovely Seekh Kebab, cooked on the homemade tandoor. Absolutely spot on.